Welcome to this in-depth review of Coinbase Commerce, the crypto payment solution that's simplifying cryptocurrency transactions for businesses worldwide. Coinbase Commerce is designed to empower merchants by enabling them to accept digital currency payments directly into their wallets, without relying on intermediaries. In this video, we'll explore its features, interface, and why it has become one of the leading platforms for crypto commerce. To start, Coinbase Commerce offers a clean and intuitive user interface, making it easy for merchants to set up and manage their accounts. Whether you're a small business owner or running a large e-commerce operation, the platform provides the tools you need to integrate cryptocurrency payments effortlessly. Supported currencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and more, ensuring flexibility for customers. A key feature is its decentralized payment system, which means merchants have full control over their funds. Coinbase Commerce does not hold your cryptocurrency, which increases security and eliminates the need for custodial services. The dashboard provides real-time insights into transactions, payment statuses, and revenue, helping you stay on top of your business finances. Integration options are a standout feature of Coinbase Commerce. You can embed payment buttons on your website, integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, and even use their API for custom solutions. This versatility makes it suitable for various business needs, whether you're selling digital goods, subscriptions, or physical products. Security is a top priority for Coinbase Commerce, employing encryption and multi-signature technology to ensure your funds and transactions are safe. The platform also supports notifications and invoicing, providing convenience for both merchants and customers. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Continuing, let's discuss the zero transaction fees offered by Coinbase Commerce. That's right. Unlike traditional payment processors, there are no fees for accepting payments. The only cost is the standard network fee for transferring funds, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses looking to embrace cryptocurrency. The onboarding process is straightforward. You will need a Coinbase account to get started. Once registered, you can set up your wallet and customize your payment options to align with your brand's needs. Coinbase Commerce also provides detailed guides and support resources to assist you through the setup process. Coinbase Commerce is more than just a payment gateway. It's a comprehensive solution for businesses aiming to stay ahead in the evolving world of digital commerce. Whether you're looking to expand globally or simply want to offer your customers more payment options, Coinbase Commerce delivers the tools and flexibility needed to succeed. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and stay tuned for more insightful content.